Another $500 million worth of Bitcoin was just bought by Michael Saylor and his company Strategy. $500 million. That's more than 6,500 Bitcoin. The guy's made of money. His company is raising bonds, selling those bonds, and then buying Bitcoin with it. I do think it's going to pay off in the end. A lot of people are making fun of him, but he was doing this all throughout the bear market. He was buying at the highs, he was buying at the lows, and yeah, it's worked out really well for MicroStrategy so far, and they just keep buying. Also, Bitcoin hit 88,000 today. Just yesterday, I was joking it was a resurrection miracle that Bitcoin hit 87. Today, it hit 88. And the stock market is going down. What's actually going on right now? I don't fully know, but I do know this, that people are putting money into Bitcoin. The DXY is going down, which basically means the strength of the dollar, which is good for American trade. And oftentimes when the DXY goes down, Bitcoin goes up. So we see this correlation again happening. And yeah, it's just another sign that the crypto bull market is still continuing on. And once these tariff negotiations get figured out and once the Fed starts quantitative easing, yeah, I think Bitcoin's going to continue to go higher. Are people going to Bitcoin right now as kind of like a safe haven? I don't really know. Maybe, maybe not, because I still think Wall Street treats Bitcoin as a risk on asset, which I personally, for me, I don't think they should. They should look at it long term. But unfortunately, Wall Street, a lot of them don't have long term mind frames. They have short term mind frames because they got to make their bonuses. They got a tax harvest after every year. I firmly believe that. But you know what? I think Bitcoin is starting to hopefully be seen as a risk off asset because over time, it has outperformed every other asset, including gold, which is still skyrocketing right now. So pretty interesting to see. But you know what? It's a good sign for crypto as a whole. And I think once the tariffs and the quantitative easing starts, everything gets situated, we're going to start ripping higher. And Bitcoin and even alts are already starting to go up. So it's a good day.